Okay, in this tutorial we'll look at reward objects, specifically getting them to disappear on a collision with your main character. When collecting the reward object, adding it to your score, and playing a sound effect at the same time. Okay, we'll go back into the game. You already have your environment set up. Here I have my reward object, so I need to add some behaviors to that. So I'll tap on that object, go over to behaviors. Okay, the first thing I want to do is to tell it what happens when my character collides with it. So I'll drag in collide. We need to tell it what object it will collide with, and when it collides with, by tapping on any object and then selecting object, we'll tell it to give it behaviors when it collides with the main character. So tap on the main character and select with the tick. Okay, so when the main character and the reward object collide, we need to tell it what will need to happen then. So one thing we'll want it to do is for the reward object to be destroyed upon collision. So I can drag in destroy object and join those two to create the behavior. Okay, another thing I would like to be able to do is, by tapping on, I just tapped on UI, is to add it to my score. So I'll drag in add to score and then connect those two. I might like to tell it exactly what score needs to be added. So if I tap on add to score, over here I can alter that score amount. So I'll remove the 1 and put in 5 and enter. Okay, so far when it collides with my character, the object will be destroyed. It'll add 5 points to the score. The final thing I need to do is to add a sound effect, so I can find that up in effects. Here we have play sound, so I'll drag in play sound. Once again, connect those two. Tap on the none selected and go into the gallery of sounds. And here I could just choose one that I thought was appropriate. It might just be, I'll put in an explosion. Okay, tap OK down the bottom left. And let's see how that behaves in the game. Play. Okay, so I have my character joystick controlled. I'll jump him up. And we can see that it's destroyed, played a sound, and added 5 points to my game score.